Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and I'm doing a video on the Hoover PowerMax. Jeremiah J, friend of mine on vacuums, wanted me to show this to him, so here it is. Hoover PowerMax, pretty nice. Self-propelled, it's got the hose. You just pop it open, you turn it this way, pop it open, turn it, make sure that the opening's facing backwards, and then you open it, and you place it right in. Whatever, you got it, you got the gist of it, but here's the attachments. Wands, hose. I'll run it real quick. It's a little noisy. Okay. So there's the power switch. Turn it on, and then if you want to boost the power, you hold it on power surge, and then it's got self-propel and everything. I'll show it the hose as well. So you just take the hose, take the end to open that, pop it in, and then you use it. I don't like using it on the hose because of how noisy it is, but you know, it does a pretty good job. So yeah, that's the Hoover PowerMax. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.